Welcome back, guys. I'm here with UNice again. Let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm seeing the wig first. It's a pre-everything wig, but before we get into it, let's get into the goodies. On the inside, I got a branded UNice elastic headband, a pair of HD wig caps. I got some press-ons. These are really cute. Also got a UNice branded robe. Got another pair of wig caps. And I got some pre-everything lace tapes. Alright, that's everything in the box. Get even more lace tapes in the bag with the wig. So today's wig that we're working with is this UNice 13x4 lace front. It's a pre-everything transparent lace front. 3D body wave, ear-to-ear elastic drawstring wig, and they say with this one the lace fits better. All right, so this is the inside, and a 3D lace front usually is because it maintains the same sizing right throughout with the lace front, and for the most part, yes, it does, but it's deeper in the middle. It does come with some lace tapes on it already, so I'm gonna actually add more right up. Well, we're gonna see, but this is gonna definitely be a very easy glueless install. So as I said, it's a drawstring wig, right? And this is how it looks. So I don't know if you can see. Well, before I get to the drawstring, let me show you the rest of what's inside. It has adjustable straps in the back. It has a comb in the back, as yeah, that's the only comb in the cap. And there's also non-slip strips added to the cap as well for more security. Now you can adjust these straps here in the back to make it tighter. There's also this adjustable elastic band. Now for this portion, it does make the wig very snugged on your head, and to adjust it, it's quite straightforward and to the point. You would just, like, you know, it has two knobs. If you can see closely, there's one here at the top and one here. So literally you just want to go ahead and adjust them like that, and that just pulling this one alone will not make it completely secure. So you want to pull this smaller one down to kind of just lock it in place. So that's like the lock, and then to release it, you just pull that back up and then pull this, and that's it. And it makes it super secure. So I love this type of construction, and I can imagine how much more secure the wig will be with that kind of construction. Now it's pre-cut and it's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, so you notice how realistic it looks. It's pre-styled. It is freestyle, and I definitely love the curls that are in there. It looks so good. It's very full, very nice and soft and shiny, so I love that. So yeah, that's how we're looking. Let me go ahead and do this easy installation. So before I even move any further, I'm just gonna make sure to adjust the drawstring in the back. So I'm gonna just put the hair up like this. Go ahead, you already stick the comb inside, so I just pull it like that. And then I just lock it in place. Just like, and then you tuck it. You just wanna tuck the string beneath. And that's it, super secure. So that is looking good in the front. It's super snug. So they knew what they were saying about it being a more secure fit. The only thing is that for the ear portion, I needed to stick. So they knew what they were doing when they add the lace tapes on the side. So that's the only part that I will just use the lace tapes for, because in this portion is very secure. Absolutely no adhesive. Now there's a little bit of cast, but after I secure the sides down with the tapes, then I get my powder and I'll camouflage it and erase the castiness. So you just want to peel that off like that, and just kind of grab the area and just put it down where you'd like it to be secured, and that's literally it. That is all you need to do. Very straightforward. Any beginner can do this. any beginner can definitely do that. So you can see it's only that little piece that I need to go ahead and get matching, like the little piece of cast there, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna do the next side and then we do that. Everything is looking real good. I can't, like, it's laying so flat. See there? No adhesive. I gotta lift it so you can see. And it's so strong. The lace tips are so strong. So all we need to do is go in, get the powder, and you literally dab on the area you want to cancel out the cast, and you're good. So that's what I'm doing. And then we can do a little, you know, a little hairstyle to see this look off, because this is so straightforward, and I give you guys a lot of options when it comes on to like pre-everything wigs and just glueless wigs overall, because I mean, everybody wants their life to be easier. They want to look cute, but I don't want to spend all day to get it done, you know. As I show you guys, it comes pre-styled, like pre-curled and everything, so not much for you to do there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a really cute hairstyle, but I'm just unraveling the curls. So there is minimal shedding, just so you know. I'm getting a few strands. I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully you can, but I got a few strands there. Very nice and bouncy. The body of the hair is gorgeous, very beautiful. Now you could definitely go ahead and just rock it like this. It's not frizzy, it's not dry, it's not like coarse or anything. Like, that is so nice and voluminous. I love that. So if you want to go ahead and just rock it with a nice center part vibe, you definitely can, because it's giving. Okay, it's definitely giving. I want to show you guys that you could go ahead and part this right throughout the lace front, because the sizing is pretty consistent. It's pretty consistent for the most part. So it does get a little shorter as you go down further towards the ear, but it still has space to work with, you know. So if you want to do a like nice braided style, you can. If you want to give it a nice side part, you can do that also. It's giving very much scalp, so I love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I think I want to do like a mid pull back look, just like the mid portion, like just pull it back, you know, and just kind of have the sides down. You definitely get the vibe. Yeah, super cute, super cute. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna keep the center part. Yeah, have the scrunchie. Ooh, so cute, so cute. Loving it, very full. I love how full and voluminous this hair is. I think I've said that so many times before, but it's really nice. And the fact that it is so easy to work with, a 10. Super secure on your head, because it has the drawstring in the back, and then you don't need no adhesive. It's like very much a nice upgraded construction with the wig, and that I can appreciate. UNice, you did that. The lace is looking good. You know, as I said, it's definitely a top tier pre-everything wig. So if you're looking for that, you're welcome. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this